Hi guys, welcome back. It's your girl Tasha, and today I want to show you guys how I curl my hair using my flat iron. But first, I'm just blow drying my hair. I just finished washing it, and as you can see, I'm going back and forth with both of these brushes because I am not the best when it comes to doing like a blowout. I am not your girl for that, but the detangle brush just works better for me when it comes to detangling my hair. I just try to blow dry it out as much as I can. You don't want any wet spots in there if you're going to be using a really hot flat iron like myself. I ain't trying to fry up my hair around here. I've done it before and it's no fun. As soon as I'm done blow drying, I just use a bit of this heat protectant that you can't read because I've had this heat protectant so long. I honestly don't use heat protectant as often, but I do use it when I'm doing this style because I have the setting on high because I'm trying to keep the curls locked in as much as possible. So I want you guys to see how I'm angling my flat iron because that is crucial into getting the proper curl in your hair using a straightener. Because you don't have a wand or something rounded, it's important to angle it in the direction that you want the curl to go in. So when you're straightening your hair, you do not have to have it on the highest setting. Right now, I have it pretty high, but my hair is trained to sustain heat just from the years of me always straightening it. You just have to know your hair. I know my hair and I know what I have to do after this style is done when I do my deep conditioning and everything. So just be mindful of that you do not have to have it on the highest setting. It all depends on your hair and the steps that you take to put back moisture in it and all of that stuff. So when I'm done, I just take some holding spray and I just spray it around my hair. And then when I'm done, I just leave it in for about a minute or two, and then I just separate the curls. So that's it for my video, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, as well as subscribe and put your bell notifications on so you're always here when I do post. Until next time, I love you guys so much. Bye.